Your current leadership model isn't just outdated, it is biologically wired to fail in 2026. We are dismantling the hidden cognitive biases that sabotage systemic equity and replacing them with a high-performance neuro-ethical audit. Learn how to recondition your relational logic to build a resilient, human-centric ecosystem that drives sustainable growth. This is about auditing the neuro-ethical frameworks governing every professional interaction. Traditional 2024-era equity models failed because they addressed the symptoms, not the circuitry. We must identify the hidden neuroethical glitches in professional decision-making that reinforce systemic exclusion. Structural misogyny and bias act as a cognitive tax, a neural barrier that sabotages long-term organizational ROI. These subconscious glitches are the primary drivers of current stagnation in global market growth. The solution lies in the power matrix. First, EEQ, emotional ethical intelligence. This is the integration of humane judgment with ethical scaffolding, decoding the invisible scripts of our professional lives. EEQ allows us to move beyond simple diversity metrics toward genuine relational logic, transforming how we value human contribution and ethical decision-making at every level of the hierarchy. Next, SSQ, social sustainable intelligence. We focus on designing sustainable life systems and learning communities that prioritize long-term resilience over short-term extraction. SSQ is the foundation for sustainable growth. It reconditions our social dynamics to ensure that equity is not a performative layer, but the very DNA of the organizational architecture. Finally, AIQ, AI Amplified Intelligence. This is not about simple keyword optimization. It is about cognitive choreography, using AI to amplify our intellectual capacity and ethical reach. We build cognitive architectures where technology serves the human somatic experience, ensuring that innovation remains grounded in ethical stewardship and inclusive growth. To achieve systemic redesign, we must apply the iceberg model. We are moving past the events and patterns on the surface to level 4, the fundamental mental models that govern our systems. By auditing these mental models, we dismantle the invisible scripts of masking and camouflaging. We replace them with evidence-driven strategies for sustainable, inclusive leadership. As academic leaders, our role is one of stewardship. We must separate pedagogy from operations, ensuring that the human element of learning is never sacrificed to programmatic mapping. Inclusive growth is not a trade-off for ROI, it is its prerequisite. Reconditioning relational logic transforms stagnant models into resilient, human-centric ecosystems that can withstand the shifts of the next decade. The choice defines your future. Will you remain biologically wired for failure, or will you audit your neuroethical framework to lead the growth of 2026? Let us rebuild together.